Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online, and welcome to the channel. On the table you can see I've got not one but two packages, and you're like, Patty, you're doing a lot of unboxings right now. Well, it's because the other two videos were sitting in the camera on the card for quite some time before I got them edited for you. But this is actual new stuff that I got this month in June, and we're middle of June. Today is the first day of summer. Anyway, this I bought for a specific reason, and if you stick around towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you the two quilt projects. Just a glimpse of what I've been working on. So anyway, this is for the Bauhaus quilt. And then of course I got something extra, and I don't remember what that is now. So this will be really fun to see. This one I just got, and I got this one because a viewer shared in the comments that Fat Quarter Shop had, I think, the food group, maybe it was a layer cake on sale. I guess it was one of those, like, you know, they do a special deal every day. Anyway, I wound up not getting it, but I got something else. And yeah, stick around and you got to see that. And I think what I got, I think this is with that that Sunbeam fabric, the new fabric from Ruby Star, designed by Rashida Coleman Hale. I really like her work. I have a lot of her fabric designs in my projects, but anyway, I think that's what's in there. So without any further ado, let's get into this one. Oh, okay, I know what I got. I always forget because I hold on to packages so I can open them specifically on the channel, because I think it's more fun, and people do seem to like it, which I'm really glad that you guys like it. Okay. Actually, I told you we'd talk about two quilts. I have another one that I haven't started yet. I'm just kind of, you know, going over it in my mind how I want to make that one. But anyway, what's in here is going to be, looks like I got three things. No, I thought I got more than that. I guess that's all I got. This one is the Grunge Basic, I think it was. Let's see. Yeah, this is called Grunge Basics in Gray Paper. And I bought 2 yards of that, and I'm hoping it's going to be enough to finish the Bauhaus quilt, which I'll show you that in just a minute. But okay, so this stuff, this is for an as yet unstarted, undiscussed project. And maybe this is by itself. Oh no, there's more in there. Okay. Okay guys, this is going to be a lot of color. So get ready. And you'll notice I think I bought it all in the same collection, but it's just all different colors. So let's see if we can figure out what these are. I'm going to guess this is Peach Fizz. And this is the, it's called, what's it called? It's called Sugar. Sugar. Okay, it's Ruby Star, of course. This one's got to be turquoise. This one must be Bluebell. I don't know what this one is. It's like a really warm gray. I got it because it's, you know, it reads neutral. And something I learned making the Bauhaus quilt is that neutrals are really important. You want to incorporate more than one neutral if you can into a design. Okay, then this one, this has got to be Sunshine. Okay, that's all of those. Oh, this one, oh my gosh, this is just like, it's just like an electric red. So this must be Ruby. And you can really see the orange in there. It's glowing. Oh, look at this. This is probably the Sunshine. I don't know what the yellow one is. And what else? Oh, okay. And then this hot pink, which I don't know what that is. Maybe that's rose. I'm not sure. I'd have to go back. I'll have to go back on the website and look at the colors because I don't know what's what. I really don't know by the names. Okay, you know what? Hold on. And I'm going to show you what this is going to go into. So don't go anywhere. Okay, a while back, probably last summer actually, I bought this panel print. And I shared this with you on the channel. I unboxed it. And it's a panel print, and it's just oodles and oodles of panels. And you trim them down to 8.5 inches. I just happen to have that square. I'm using it now. So you see you can easily trim out 8.5 inches on these different panels. And so, see how nice that is? Anyway, so this panel print, what I want to do is make this into a quilt. And I want to make it like a sawtooth star. So, you know, this would be like your fussy cut center. And then, you know, around it I wanted 2, maybe 3 colors. I haven't thought it through. I have to think about it. Maybe it was 3 colors or 2. I don't remember now. Anyway, the point is, I thought it would be fun while I'm making this. I fussy cut my center and then use color theory to pick the colors for the different stars and do different stars in the project. I just thought that would be fun. So different color stars, in other words. So not everything like made the same color star points and just different fussy cut middles, but you know, all different stars. So like you could do these 2 blues together, and then that is like a really nice analogous type of color scheme. You could incorporate the yellow or the gold in there, and then you get like more of a complementary look. And then I have that yellow also. You can put the red and the pink together, and then again that's analogous. And then you have the red and the yellow, and then you could do, oh yeah, the red and the pink. You can do different variations of the red, yellow, and blue if you do 3 colors in there. So anyway, I thought it would be fun to just, you know, make a star or 2 with this in here, and you know, make those stars and then see how it looks, and then pick more colors for after then, and just do it all on really following the color theory and matching things. That's my thought process. So that's what this is for. So that is going to just get put away with this until I'm ready to work on it, because in the meantime I do need to finish the bow house. So we'll put these out of the way, and then we'll get into a small piece, you know. And let me also say, did I use a coupon with this? I feel like, yeah, I did. So I had a 20% off coupon that I used when I made this purchase. So I got $14 off, which I think is pretty good. So it came out to be $65 for that, which is a lot of money. But, you know, it is what it is. I've decided I like these very specific fabric lines now, so that's what I'm doing. Okay. So yeah, so I wound up on the Fat Quarter Shop website, and I didn't get what I went over to really look at. I got this stuff instead. And I think it was on sale. Maybe, no, I don't think it was. I don't know. Anyway, this is what I arrived at getting. This is that, let me just bring it up so you can see it. This is that tiger. It's called Burning Bright. And there's an old poem called Tiger, Tiger, Burning Bright. I know I read it when I took American Literature. I actually have a minor in American Lit in my my college degree. So Fun fact. I used to read a lot. So anyway, but this tiger print, oh, it's so cute. And it's so cute in person. It has so much personality. Anyway, this is sold out everywhere. This colorway, which is natural, it's sold out. You can't get it anywhere. I got literally the last yard off the shelf at Fat Quarter Shop. It's insane, but I did see it on a smaller shop that I really like, which was, I think it was Bonnie's. I don't know. I have it saved over at the desk, so we'll have a look. But I got that, and then for some reason I picked this, and I don't know why. I'm not sure. There was a reason when I looked at it, and that reason is completely gone. I don't know why I got it. Oh, maybe to make, I honestly don't know. Oh, maybe to make it with the little canning jar project, if I ever get to that. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I can tell you that this one is called Tomato in Polar, and it's colander toss. It's really cute. It's a beautiful sagey green. And then this one is from Florida too, and it's called Macaron Sand. I don't know why I have these, but I like them together. And you know, it could work with this maybe. I don't know. All I can do is start when I start on this, and I have no plan, and I'm going to make it with no plan. I've discovered that the quilting process that I enjoy most is to work mostly without a big structured plan. And that would probably drive a lot of people crazy, but I find I prefer that. Okay, so here's the fabrics I got. This was a complete spontaneous purchase, which is kind of ridiculous and crazy because it was $36. But anyway, yeah. So I spent $100 on fabric. Just crazy, but I do like all of it a lot. So I got those and all of these, and I got all these as half yard cuts. So I should be able to make probably a couple of star points with these, I would expect. I'm going to use my large, I have this, this is my large quilt in a day, if you can see it, yeah. Quilt in a day flying geese roller, and it will make the 4x8 finished geese. Although I found that the instructions they gave for the initial cutting instructions, they really weren't, the squares weren't big enough, so which surprised me. So anyway, I have to go up a little, but I want to do all flying geese with this. So anyway, that's that. So okay, as promised, I'm going to turn the camera around, and what I'm going to do is show you the two projects that I'm working on. And when we are done here today, I'm going to get that outer border onto the strawberry. So, okay, hang on, and when we come back, we'll be looking at the Bauhaus. Okay, here's the Bauhaus quilt, and I just have it like kind of draped over the bookcase, and then the pictures that you see across the top, they're just kind of holding it in place. But I got it up there so I could take a look at it. And I'm going to put on a border that is the background fabric, which is the same white that is in right here. That. So that gray, light, bright gray, that's the one, that's the background. So that'll be the border, and then for the back I had leftover blocks. So I pieced those blocks together, and I'm going to run them down the center and then put background on either side to finish out the background for this quilt. And I think it's going to look nice. Probably going to take some of that orange and do the binding is what I'm thinking. If I have it. I have to look in my stash and see what I have left, because I don't want to buy any more fabric for it. So anyway, that's the Bauhaus. It's done. It's pieced. You know, I took some artistic license with it. I'll be upfront with you about that, but I did try to make it the way it was designed and stick to the colors as closely as possible. I did kind of run out of some stuff and had to improvise, but I still like it. And you know, I completely improvised that lower right hand block that's got the two moons right here. I improvised that completely, and I really like how it came out. I had a little bit of trouble figuring out the cutting instructions for the curve piecing, and it's not exactly the same as what it is in the pattern, but I can live with it. And that was another learning experience to get all those curves right. So I made a lot of curves, and I made a lot of flying geese because it was the big flying geese. So they're 6 by 12 finished flying geese. So they're quite large. But you know, there it is, and I really like it. I think it's a cool piece. It's going to be like more of a lap or a throw sized. Anyway, so that's what that is. So okay, don't go anywhere, and I'm going to switch, and I'll show you the update on the strawberry quilt. So hold on. Well, here is the strawberry quilt, and I have to be honest with you. I was editing the video for this today, and I actually didn't film anything on the strawberry quilt. Here's the bow house. It's still hanging there. And this is almost a month later, so that's how my life is going. But anyway, here is the quilt top for the strawberry quilt. And I did get the border on. I wound up making a creative decision to change the border that I put on. I did that because the piecework or the patchwork border I was going to do that I liked so much in the illustration, I did not like it in real life. So anyway, I put the green on, and the greens are the same greens that are in the stem. So this is that project, and I should tell you that I have ordered and received my background fabric. So the next video that you'll see is going to be unboxing the background fabric, and then we'll just like dig into the details of how I'm going to actually finish both of these. I'll do them separately, but there's the bow house. Let me just show you this. These are the blocks that I had left over when I made the bow house, and what I decided to do was to piece them together. I wound up having 8 of them, so I just pieced them together in strips, and I'm going to put them on the back of here because I didn't want to waste them, and I didn't want a bunch of pillows. I didn't need any more pillows, so that's where they're going. And then it means that I can use less of the background for the actual backing. So okay guys, so that's gonna be it. That's the video for today, such as it is. Thank you so much for, if you're still here, thank you. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully I can sort of get my head back together and get back in the game and more on a regular schedule for everybody. I just have to tell you, the garden has been, it's been a lot. So anyway, but it's good. Okay, that's all I have for you in today's video, and I love both of them, actually. I can't believe I have 2 quilt tops together like this. I've never done this before. I don't know who I am. Okay. Oh, that's truly it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And until such time as we meet again, happy quilting.